Ganyan ka. Wait lang guys. Snack man tete ka. Ganyan ka kayabang.
Dumilay, ligawan. Elsie.
Kelsey loves, VL.
Hindi.
Damn slick anyway.
Ano yung kanina?
Hey, remember JDO2? Difficult to forget. He's currently running a Sindacco
Kelsey Clay Sargento.
I mean,
Timpala nga yung tablet ni
The
Kelsey.
interesting thing is, he wants to be a Leone now.
Fuck him. He made his choice.
Hello, brain cell. Jeez, Tony. Sal said you was dumb muscle. But I didn't think anyone was that dumb. We can use JD to get the drop on Sindacco's plans. He's gonna be up on the inside. There's just one thing. He's being sat on by some Sindacco ape. I want you to remove this little obstacle and get JD on our side. Capiche?
Up, XX down. Up, XX down, XX right. Ano ba? Up, X down, left, XX right. Bibilisan natin. Up, XX down. Up, XX down, left, XX right. Let's go, bro. Ayun si Teddy. Nakulangan tayo sa videos nila. Look, no, that is ouch. Please plan. Yun. Pwede tayong mang-shoot. Nakapagdating siya. Yun nga, ba't di na lang yung stunts area natin? No.
Ano kala mo? Sige, ano?
Yes, bro!
I'd follow that baby all the
Go, go.
I'm gonna straighten him out real good, pal. Put him up, jerk.
Haha. I'm so brutal. Ano pang spawn na ko dito?
Hindi na ibon mo. Ay, ibon mo din.
Ha? Kalokohan mo? Uy, yung controller. Nakakatayin kayo. Sino lamang? Buti na lang may cheat code na to. Haha. Oo, sa pera natin eh. Oh. Knock, knock, tete ka. Lang, alo, puto ko. Ah! Lang, may idea ako.
Diaper mo, KLC, lapit ka.
Lang. Lang, paano magbato?
You ain't got no business.
Ako, tayo pa yung namatay. Tayo pa talaga yung namatay kasi yung mga tao dun. Hirap naman next na.
Hey, remember JD O'Toole?
Ano ba? Elsie ah. Nang bibintang ka na naman ah.
Diaper na si KLC lang dapat ng diaper niya. Look up, not down.
Nangingipan ka. Kasi sa isa pa talaga.
Kamukha ni KLC, oh. Tim,
Kasan?
kamukha ni KLC.
Oh. Kinakot ko ni Kenzie yung diaper. Edsa tayo, Edsa. Lang, wait lang. Ilagay tayo sa Edsa. Up, X, down, left, X, right. Ulit. Papadamihan lang natin. Tapos stop pa rin.
Tim.
Oh, perfect timing. Good job now.
Tim.
Lang. Gagawin
Team
tayo.
ako si Superman.
You
Team
ain't
ako
got
si
no
Superman. Team!
Takbo, takbo! Ano?
Ako si Spider-Man. Team!
Po, pare, sila pare. Ano? Ano ba kasi?
Timothy! Superman.
Nak, nagdadiga. Paano naman yung namatay? Paano naman?
Halay ko maranasan para sa'yo.
Ay, naku, yun na naman pinagkakanta mo buong buhay mo. Wala nung pagkabala mo, hanggang kumanda ka. Yan pa rin kinakanta mo. Oh, may bibintangan na naman ko si Jacob.
Hey, remember JD02?
Kala mo ha?
Difficult to forget.
Bakit?
It's
Chelsea?
Kurt Vonnegut.
Grabe nga ako eh. Uy, infection!
Don't push me.
Oh, naman. Pananaw.
14 is on 14 there.
Up, XX, on left, XX, right.
Violence at the drop of a hat.
Up,
Become
XX,
one of Liberty City's
ay, ganyan ka. Sige.
got a problem?
Kasi binatabaan mo siya.
I'm gonna take you apart piece by piece.
Kama mo.
Fucking head off.
Hello, ma.
Patay, ikaw bata ka.
Loma. Go. Alam. Go.
Kaya ngayon, lumabas ka na, ha? Ngayon na daw, lumabas ka na daw.
Okay.
Doon sa may simbahan na.
Okay.
Magpapay ka lang dyan, pila ka.
Sige ba? Simus na ako.
Ay, lock ng titingin.
Sa Venice! Sa Venice! Nandiyan na po sila, mama! Dito ako! Kami pipili ka, kasi
Bye-bye.
Mas mo nila kuya ha! Ay, ito ka! Hatid mo daw siya!
Oy.
Point 2 of a second na lamang yan. Wala yan eh. Can't even touch it.
Uy, ano? May binili?
Protect the basket. Ganun yung touch it. Halos mapapasa rin. Kung sa labas ipapasa yan. Kaya wala na yan. Nasa-count yun.
And as Dr. Day pointed out, officially a 24-second violation has been slapped against the net. 39-36 Magnolia with a 3-point lead, and it was very close and tight. Portion of the Clásico is 2026 here in the Governor's Cup.
They need Rosario back in the ball game, giving two enough playing time. And using him again in the second half. Might get his shot back.
Tatama na pagbilang sila, tatama yung eventually. 39-36 ang score po natin. The Baku, Diego Lucero. Look at the three. He has 19 points.
Malapit na doon sa bench eh. But yung adjustment talaga ni Coach LA using three big men, that's really helped the team, especially undersized siya niya. Dahil kulat sa malaki niya.
Dapat lang makakit sa malapit eh. Nakutin Barako is scored for the foul. Magnolia limiting its team clock to 2 so far with 3:33 remaining.
Playing good defense. But because they're big, yeah,
That's
they're
nice.
over the
They have wingspan. Right, he was inside. Tapped by Lucero. Fall away, no. Collected by Ian Sangalan. That's 4 boards for Sangalan so far. Crossover by Mark Maroka. Outside. They go. He jab steps. Let's go! And Buckley has given them an 8-point lead with Leo Gilden. Watch this. Swoosh. And Buckley now with 13. Back and running.
Watch as teams from Group E kick off the second round of the FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian qualifiers. See them in action, including our Gilas Pilipinas. Live at the SM Mall of Asia Arena on August 28th and August 30th. Visit www.smtickets.com for more details.
Backed up around and the finish. Xavier Lucero erupting for 15. And a double.
Nakapagod din. Ano lang guys, magpaparevive ako. Wala. Hindi pwede. Hotdog. Oo, pwede.
Ayaw mo eh. Ayaw mo kunin mo
Yes!
Daddy, ayaw daw ni Kuya.
Wala akong sinabi ah. Wala akong sinabi.
Meron ko sinabi eh.
Oh, baka nang bibintang ka.
Ayaw ni Kuya daw.
O, ganyan ka. Nagagalit na ako sa mission na to eh. Gusto ko mga i-delete pero ayoko. Ilang beses na ako dito, lagpas 20 na. Kasi nag-delete ko pa yung ano.
Mind my delicate slab.
Lagi na nga akong galit eh. Ginagalit pa ako nito. Moses Perky. $60 ang binibigay. Okay, tara na. Uy! Kinuha yung kotse. Ay, lock ng chicken.
Sobrang kayo talaga.
Alo! Gusto mo ba?
Kasi sa shop daw nila.
Bala ka. Ako talaga dito mo.
Daddy, ayaw daw ni Kuya.
Ay,
Ayaw daw ni Kuya. Masarap eh.
Wala na yan. Last na yan.
mali pa talaga yung pagkashoot ko.
Ano eh?
Tinama ko yan. Tapos,
Ganito lang, wala ba yung ganito kalaki kanina?
wala.
Ano, 24 plus 3?
Wala. Diretso na tayo mag-mission. Wala pa yung bomba. So, kasi sniper na ito, ang hirap gamitin.
Hey, remember you?
Mauubusan na tayo ng pera, 33,000 na lang. Tingnan natin. 23, 22, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh. So, may natira pa talaga. $33. Back to hirap na naman tayo. $33. Kasi binibigay lang ng mga mission ng baba. Tatlo na yung natapos ng mission, napunta na sa 33. Nainis na ako sa mission ito. Hindi kasi ano, wait lang. Sino yung bomb? Itong grenade.
You ain't got no business here.
No. Patay sila. Patay sila. Oh, walang nabuhay sa kanila. Ito na lang gagamitin ko as... ganyan ka. Ay, ganito yung problema, no? Since ano guys, bawal talagang mga ano to, yung kotse. Ay, naknam po, tsaka pinagmumura mo na ako, bro. Walang gumagana. Bakit kasi bawal? Mali. Tukol to.